How to start eBay dropshipping 2023. So you want to sell on eBay in 2023? Here's what you need to know. Selling on eBay has always been an interesting way to earn income from home, but in the past, it was incredibly time-consuming and difficult to create an eBay store that actually made a profit. Not anymore. With dropshipping becoming more and more mainstream, it's easier than ever to run an eBay store of your own, and make some extra money in the process. Here's what you need to know about eBay dropshipping in 2023. Research your products. In order to sell successfully, you will need to do some research. Find out what your competitors are selling and what they're doing that you might be able to do better. Find out how much your competitors are charging for their products and see if there's a way for you to undercut them by $1 or $2. Find a reliable dropshipper. Dropshipping is a great way for entrepreneurs to get started selling products online with little upfront investment. But before you start, be sure you find a reliable dropshipper. There are plenty of dropshippers out there, but not all of them are created equal. Here are 3 things you should keep in mind when shopping around for a dropshipper. The level of customer service they provide. Whether the shipping is included or not. Their return policy. Create attractive listings. There are a few basic steps you should go through before listing your item. 1. Find a product. 2. Find a supplier. 3. Figure out the price and cost of your item including shipping costs and fees. 4. Write an attractive description for your item, including any pertinent information about the product and its condition, if it is used. Promote your listings. If you are just starting out and have a product you want to sell, go here first. It will walk you through the steps of creating your account, adding products, taking photos, setting up PayPal, and getting started. Once your account is all set up, it's time to start selling. Start by picking a category that suits your product best. Then figure out what keywords would help people find your listing and use those words in the title and description. Provide excellent customer service. If you're already a customer-oriented person, then you will enjoy this part of the process. It is critical for your business to provide excellent customer service. After all, that is how you build loyal customers who are willing to spend money with you again and again. Dropshipping is an order fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. The process can vary, but below is a general bird's-eye view of how this process works. First, your customer places an order from your own eBay store. Next, you send the item to the customer from your dropshipping supplier. Your supplier then ships the item directly to your customer, without you ever having to handle the product or even stock inventory. We will touch on the finer details of each of these steps in this article, but basically that is the entire process. You are literally able to start a, basically, no money down business, where you are selling products to customers without ever having to stock, handle, pack or ship the products yourself. What are the recommended suppliers for dropshipping on eBay? Truthfully, there are several dropshipping suppliers that you can use to make this method a success. Each supplier comes with their own pros and cons, and it will come down to your own trial and error as to which suppliers you decide to move forward with in your business. It is important to note that not all of these suppliers comply with the eBay dropshipping policies. However, there is always a way to make any of these suppliers work. You just need to understand how to communicate with your eBay customers and suppliers to avoid raising any red flags with eBay. As a point of note, while we have in the past, and sometimes do still recommend using Amazon as your eBay dropshipping supplier in certain instances, we do prefer to use the others on this list as they are more in line with eBay's dropshipping policy. A lot of eBay customers have reported account suspensions when using Amazon in the wrong way, so we prefer beginners avoid this marketplace where possible. While that might sound a bit daunting, being able to do this successfully will be the difference between a successful dropshipping business and as a floundering one. Being able to find gaps in the market where others don't is the reason that I am able to make a healthy living as an eBay dropshipper and run a successful eBay business. Walmart is a great, local dropship supplier to use if you are dropshipping in the US. Walmart offers quality, affordable products and can ship items out to your eBay customers quickly. You can also do things to increase your profit margins by taking advantage of their free shipping options when you join Walmart Plus. We like Walmart as a supplier as we can have a bit more confidence in shipping times. This is something that eBay looks at quite closely, so it is important to have a supplier that offers reliable shipping whichever supplier you go with. Similar to Walmart, Home Depot allows you to have more confidence in your shipping time and quality and is an overall reliable supplier. Also similar to Walmart, your margins are not going to be as high as using some of the other suppliers who have a longer shipping time such as AliExpress. AliExpress can be used as a dropshipping supplier worldwide. They allow you to dropship to countries like the UK and Australia, and come with a much higher profit margin. The issue with using AliExpress as your supplier is that the shipping times can be quite long, meaning that you will need to manage your customers' expectations by setting accurate shipping policies. The trade-off of higher margins to slower shipping times is something that you need to consider when using AliExpress as a dropshipping supplier. The important thing to note is that you can definitely make this option work, so long as you keep your policies tight and communicate with your customers regularly to ensure that they are aware of the progress of their order.